Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Reels history on Facebook. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to delete your Reels history here on Facebook, well, this one is quite easy. So first things first, you want to open up the Facebook app and you want to go and click on the hamburger or the 3-bar icon that you see at the top left of your screen. Now from here, you want to go and scroll down a bit here, look for help and support, and you want to go and just basically expand that one. Now, what you're looking for specifically is going to be your settings, but if it's not under help and support, look for settings and privacy, expand that as well, click on settings. But yeah, in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here until you see the section for your activity. Now, in here, you want to go and look for activity logs. So this is where your history is actually kept. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and choose your activity or your Facebook activity. So let's go and expand that one. Now, you want to look for post. Now, let's go and click on manage post. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and just click on the filters that you see at the top left here. And from here, you want to go and click on categories. You want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see the section that says videos you've watched. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically click on the clear video watch history, or you could go and just click on the three-dotted icon at the right side here and basically click on the delete option that you see here at the very bottom. Now, obviously, you may want to also check the option here for live videos that you've watched and also anything that you've liked before. You could also check that as well, and basically you may want to delete them. But again, this is how you clear your watch history, and that's about it. So, found this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.